Hello, welcome to VK's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are making very simple and easy Muttar Palao or peas rice. For this recipe, we're going to need Basmati rice, bay leaf, cumin seeds, peas or muttar, onion, salt, oil or ghee, and water. Alright, let's turn on the stove. You can choose oil or ghee, it's except you. If you like oil, you can do that. And I am choosing ghee. Once your ghee is hot or your oil, just add the bay leaf and there cumin seeds and onion. You don't have to have a lot of onion for this. Maybe I think it was like 1/8 of onion, kind of like just eyeball them. You don't have to have like half cup, 1/4 or something, just a little bit. And also I forget to tell one thing in the ingredient. I am adding ginger slices in there. You don't have to, because originally we are not adding ginger in there, but rice is kind of cold side, so I always like to use ginger in there. You don't have to use ginger because it's without ginger, but if you add ginger, add a little bit spiciness, and also health wise it's better than without ginger. You can add salt, okay. We're adding our peas. You can use less or more, it's except you. There is no limit for that, you know. So for onion, you're not really making them brown. It's very simple and very easy, and it's so good, especially in the summertime when you make the rice pulao. It's just so good. You feel so good for the summer days. Add our rice. That was a 1 cup rice, and I washed them before I add to the pan. Mix them now. If you want to, you can saute for a little bit, and it adds a little more flavor into it. You can use any rice if you don't have basmati, but basmati is like better. Okay, so at this point we're adding a water. This is a 1 cup of water. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna wait for boil. Then after that we're gonna cover it and slow our heat. So we're gonna lower the flame. So it's very easy. It does not take so long to cook. If you're hungry and you want something salty, don't wait for anything. You have rice all the time in home. Most of the people have that in home. And rice you can use fresh. If you are using fresh peas, I can't tell you the taste is so delicious. But whatever we have, we are grateful for. We have frozen peas, that's what I was choosing. All right, we're gonna wait for, and then we'll cover it. At this point you can check your salt if you want to. Just it's good. You can maybe add a little bit. I feel like it's perfect. We don't eat so much salt, so see, there's not many ingredients, but it's so good. Alright, see, it start boiling now. what we're gonna do, we're gonna lower the heat and cook it for a little bit, then we'll be back because steam gonna make them cook. All right, I'll be back. Okay, let's check it. It's alrighty. See, I don't even touch them, so it seems like it's ready. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna just wait for a little bit, turn off the heat, let them stay there for a little bit, and then we'll put it in the plate. So I'm gonna leave it in there covered because seems like a little more need to be cooked. So we're gonna cover it, not touching, heat is off, so we're gonna keep like that. Whatever like uncooked is gonna be cooked with the steam. Okay, here is our Muttar Palao or peas rice ready to eat. It's very simple to make and tasty to eat. You can eat with raita, sabji, lentil, or as it is. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. I will see you with the new video. Until then, enjoy.